cutter will safely and cleanly cut rebar up to 3/4 inch diameter, grade 60. This cordless cutter has an additional handle, and the cutting head can rotate up to 360 degrees for varying applications. This tool ships complete with a sturdy carrying case and comes with two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, as well as a fast-charge battery charger. Well, that's a look at the DCC 2018 HL cordless rebar cutter.
Right-angle impact driver provides the greatest access and the fastest driving speed to fit where other impacts can't and get the job done faster. A Milwaukee-designed impact mechanism delivers fast, reactionless fastening. The extended paddle switch makes it easy to control the tool at difficult angles or in small spaces. A 1.4-inch compact head allows for use in tight areas without sacrificing power. Delivering 600 inch-pounds of torque, the M12 1/4-inch hex right-angle impact driver outperforms other impact drivers in its class. The M12 1/4-inch hex right-angle impact driver